Hey everyone, welcome back to Techie Druid, your ultimate guide for tech tips and tutorials. I'm Milan, and in today's video, I am going to show how to add a custom domain and SSL certificate to your NextCloud instance running on TrueNAS SCALE. This setup will ensure your NextCloud is secure, easily accessible over the internet, and fully integrated with a professional domain. Whether you're hosting personal backups, collaborating on projects, or just setting up a private cloud, this guide is for you. So let's dive in. Before we get started, here's what we'll need. First, a running NextCloud instance on TrueNAS SCALE. If you haven't set this up yet, check out my previous tutorial linked in the description below. Second, a domain name. You can purchase one from registrars like Hostinger, Namecheap or GoDaddy. For this tutorial, I'll use my domain, that is techiedruid.com, purchased from Hostinger. Third, a free Cloudflare account. If you don't have one yet, I'll show you how to create one in this video. Step 1. Set up a Cloudflare account. Visit the Cloudflare website, click Sign Up. Ensure you select the free tier during sign up. This free plan is sufficient for our needs. Enter your email address and a password to sign up. Step 2. Add your domain to Cloudflare. After you sign in to your Cloudflare account, enter your domain name. In my case, techiedruid.com. Click Continue. Choose the free plan and continue. On the DNS management page, make sure the page is blank. If you have any existing DNS records, just delete them all to start fresh. Click Continue and confirm to add DNS records later. Cloudflare will now generate name servers for your domain. Copy these name servers. Step 3. Update name servers with your registrar. Log into your domain registrar's dashboard. In my case, Hostinger. Select your domain. Navigate to DNS or name server settings. Delete the default name servers and paste the Cloudflare name servers. Save the changes. Go back to Cloudflare and click Check Name Servers now. After waiting for 10 to 15 minutes, the domain status is showing active. Step 4. Create a Cloudflare tunnel. In your Cloudflare dashboard, navigate to the Zero Trust section. Here, enter a team name of your choice. Just select the free plan for your Cloudflare Zero Trust account. Click on Proceed to Payment. Don't worry, it won't charge you anything. You can still add a payment method from here if you want to upgrade later. Just fill in your details and click Next. On your Cloudflare Zero Trust account dashboard, go to the Network section. Select Tunnels. Click Add a tunnel to create a new tunnel. Select Cloudflare as a tunnel type. Name your tunnel, example NextCloud tunnel. Save the tunnel. Cloudflare will generate a command to install the Cloudflare tunnel client. Copy this command into a notepad. From the command, remove everything except the authentication token. Step 5. Install Cloudflare tunnel on TrueNAS SCALE. Open your TrueNAS dashboard and navigate to Apps. Search for the Cloudflare app. In the app configuration page, paste the authentication token from the previous step. Click Install and wait for the app to deploy. Once the Cloudflare app is running, go back to your Cloudflare dashboard. You should see the connected status here. Step 6. Configure public host names in Cloudflare. In the tunnel settings, click Next. In the subdomain field, type NextCloud or any name of your choice. Select your domain. In the service URL field, enter the internal IP and port of your NextCloud server. Save the tunnel configuration. Cloudflare will now forward all traffic from your subdomain to your NextCloud server. Step 7. Enable SSL for secure connections. Go back to your Cloudflare dashboard. Navigate to SSL TLS settings for your domain. Set the SSL TLS mode to full strict. This ensures all connections to your domain are encrypted end-to-end. No manual SSL installation on NextCloud is needed. Cloudflare handles it automatically. Step 8. Add the domain to trusted domains in NextCloud. To ensure that your domain is recognized as a trusted domain by the NextCloud server, we need to add the domain to the NextCloud configuration file. We can edit the NextCloud configuration file using shell commands. In your TrueNAS dashboard, go to System. Click on Shell to open a terminal. Type sudo su and press enter. Then enter your TrueNAS admin password. Since the configuration file path depends on your storage pool and dataset configuration, we'll use the file command to locate it. This command searches for the configuration.php file in the /mnt directory where all storage pools and datasets are mounted. Copy the path of the file by pressing the Ctrl+Insert keys on your keyboard. Use the Nano editor to open the file for editing. Scroll down to the section that begins with trusted_domains. Add your domain to the list. Ensure the domain is enclosed in single quotes and ends with a comma. Press Ctrl+X to exit the editor. Type Y to confirm saving changes. Press Enter to finalize. After that, restart the NextCloud application to apply the changes. Step 9. Verify external access. Disconnect from your local network and connect your device to a mobile hotspot. Open a browser and visit your NextCloud domain. You should now see your NextCloud login page secured with HTTPS and recognized as a trusted domain. And that's it. You have successfully configured a custom domain and SSL certificate for your NextCloud instance on TrueNAS SCALE using Cloudflare Tunnel. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Techie Druid for more tech guides and tips.